Hey everyone, today I'm in a special mood. If you've been following my channel, you already know I've got a whole arsenal of strategies and indicator setups. Check this for the start. I've dedicated a lot of videos to building a strong foundation for you. But today I just feel like trading for myself. No rules, just following the trend and setting my experience and trading creatively, risking about 10% of my balance. So let's go. Okay guys, today is one of the most aggressive trade sessions I ever recorded. Usually I don't share this type of content, it's more a personal secret. But today I won't be using any indicators. I'll be trading with nothing, put parallel lines, and basically I will follow the trend using all my screen time and experience. Just parallel line and parallel corridor. I'll draw a price channel with the support and resistance and stay inside the range. I've already dedicated a lot of videos to teaching you solid strategies. But today, if just a martingale and multiplier and trending with the trend, don't try this with your full balance. Of course, today I'm risking about 10% just for the content. I'm doing this for you. You see price touch the top of the channel I drew and I open a sell trade. And now watch how it plays out. This trade is about 10% of my deposit. Yeah, it's aggressive strategy, but I'm an artist. Today I'm a trading artist. Let's go next. This is just a wipe. Today I've traded like a hustler. Yo. Okay, let's go. Next trade in the same corridor. As you can see, over 5 years of experience of trading. It's inside, it's outside from the channel. Okay, let's correct the channel. It's okay. Hustle trade, creative trade. I open now in buy position because I know the price is moving to average. Today I'm willing to risk about $4,000 just to show you how price channels work. I'm losing again, but I just correct my corridor. And I'm an artist trader today. Let's open a new trade. Please don't copy this if you can't afford the risk. Because when you do a reason only risk 20% maximum in one session. I'm risking just 10% today. I'm multiplied by the martingale, and this is a good strategy for me. I'm just drawing the corridor, just not even using the indicators. And you see, we're not going well. Yes, emotional trading. Damn. But stay calm. We still have just the martingale. Let's just grow the good channel. And then just wait when the price touch the line of the channel. Then margarage. Now it's 3,000, but it's not 3,000. I will double up. It won't triple up. Just wait. The main point here is just to make the right channel, the price channel. And we trade inside that. I'm increasing the trade three times, guys. It's not a problem for me. Yes. Let's go. 3 times, 9,000. Let's go. If you can see, I trade inside of the price corridor. I draw it for myself. Yeah. This is creative trading. As you can see, 17,000. Well, today I'm trading for fun, but for profit as well. I'm not showing you my full sayings, but over the years I've built over 100,000 in trading capital. Yes, sometimes I lost the trades, but today I'm just have fun and using my full strategy to just trade like an artist. Okay, we're still in the profit, in the big profit. The last one just cover and make us a huge profit. And now, let me think. I'll just trade the small one. Let me just do it like a coin flip. If it's working, it's good. If it's not, it's not 50-50. So, today I have this special mood. I'm already in a good profit, about 10% from my deposit, about 4,000. 3,000, no, like about 4,000, yes. So if will lose this trade, let me just like trade these 3-1. Let's go. If I will lose, let me lose. But if I will win, I'm good. More than 8%. Like I will make about 3,500 something, even more. I will stop in this profit. It's a good one. It's about 10% of my deposit. Anyway, I'm happy about this session. So yeah, it's from the soul, from the heart. This is the trading in real life. What can I do? It is how it is. The big profit. If you want more good strategies, just go to my Telegram channel. We can discuss this. We can discuss this session. We can discuss all the sessions, all the trades, all these indicators and strategies. But now I'm happy that I'm on a big profit. And also I'm happy that I record another good video for you guys. So please enjoy the sessions. Trade smart. Sometimes trade from the heart to have different strategies, because yeah, this is trading. Nobody know what the strategy is the best one. Yes, but don't risk full of your deposit. Leave 10% maximum. So guys, trade smart, do your homework and make some profit, please. Here, every week, 2 times, I show you the good and perfect strategies. Miss you guys. See you soon. Peace.